Welcome back to the InfoFlex. Today we have got a super cool and practical project for you. Ever wondered how school or office manage attendance efficiently? Well, in this video we are going to build smart attendance system using RFID technology. This system will not only record attendance when an RFID tag is scanned, but it will also do two awesome things. First, it will send an SMS notification using a GSM SIM 900A module whenever a tag is scanned. And second, it will display the relevant information like the student or employee ID and a confirmation message on a 16x2 LCD screen. This project is perfect for hobbyists, students, or anyone interested in learning about Arduino, RFID, GSM communication, and basic electronics. So grab your tools and let's get started. Before we dive into the build, let's take a look at the key components we will be using. First up, we have the brain of our system in Arduino Uno. Next, this is our RFID reader module. It will detect and read the unique ID from RFID tags. We will be using the commonly available RC522 module. This little guy is the magic behind our SMS notification, the GSM SIM 900A module. It will use a SIM card to connect to the mobile network and send SMS messages. This 16x2 LCD screen will display a real-time information about the scanned tag. Of course, we need some RFID tags or cards to test our systems. We will need plenty of jumper wires to connect everything together. A breadboard will make prototyping much easier. Now let's take a look how we will connect all the components. It is crucial to follow the wiring carefully to avoid any issues. RFID reader RC522 to Arduino. Connect VCC to Arduino 3.3 volt. Ground to Arduino ground. SDA SS to Arduino digital pin 10. SCK to Arduino digital pin 13. MOSI to Arduino digital pin 11. MISO to Arduino digital pin 12. IRQ can be left unconnected for basic reading. GSM SIM 900A module to Arduino. VCC to Arduino 5V or a separate 5V supply as it can draw significant current. Ground to Arduino ground. TXD of SIM 900A to digital pin 7 of the Arduino Uno. RXD of SIM 900A to digital pin 8 of the Arduino Uno. 16x2 LCD to Arduino. VCC pin to 5V of the Arduino. Ground pin to ground pin of the Arduino. SDA pin to A4 pin of the Arduino. SCL pin to A5 pin of the Arduino. Remember to double check all connection before powering up the circuit. Incorrect wiring can damage your components. Now let's dive into the Arduino code. We will walk you through the key sections. Include libraries. We will include the SPIH and MFRC522.h libraries for the RFID reader and the liquidcrystal.h library for the LCD. We will also use the software serial.h library to communicate with the GSM module. Then you can add many numbers on which you want to receive an SMS. Alright, now for the exciting part. Let's see our system in action. I have uploaded the code to the Arduino and connected all the components. As you can see, LCD show the message, scan the card. When I swipe the RFID tag, the LCD immediately display the ID card is scanned and a confirmation message like SMS sent. And there it, a few seconds later, my phone received an SMS confirming the attendance. Now I scan another tag and I will receive an SMS on the other phone. You can use multiple numbers. This is basic but functional RFID attendance system. There are many ways you can enhance the project. Further, adding an RTC module would allow you the timestamp the attendance record accurately in the SMS and on the database. So there you have it, RFID based attendance system with an SMS notification and LCD display. I hope you found this project interesting and learned something new. Don't forget to download the code and circuit diagram from the link in the description below. If you have built this project, please share your results in the comments. Let me know if you have any questions or suggestions for future projects. Thanks for watching.